we'll come back to default. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto meme coins with a look at Dollar, also known as XIAOBAI. This token operates on the Ethereum blockchain and falls squarely into the meme coin category. It features a dog-related theme and draws on Chinese imagery and culture, all within the fun and often unpredictable realm of meme coins. Remember, though, that this isn't financial advice, so always be sure to do your own thorough research before considering any investments. What exactly is Dollar, also known as XIAOBAI? Simply put, it's a Memecoin. The meme theme is typically based on a Chinese dog or some other pop culture reference relevant to its community. This token is built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it an ERC20 token. The symbol you'll usually see for XIAOBAI is XBA. As for its purpose, like many Memecoins, it's primarily community-driven. In some cases, there might be charitable aspects associated with it, potentially supporting a specific cause. Let's delve into the world of Memecoins. These are cryptocurrencies that often originate from internet memes or jokes. It's vital to understand that they are known for their extreme volatility, meaning prices can swing wildly and rapidly, posing significant risks to investors. A crucial aspect of a Memecoin's success hinges on its community. Strong community support and effective marketing are often key drivers. Generally, Memecoins lack intrinsic utility or real-world applications beyond being a speculative asset. Finally, and most importantly, always do your own research before investing in any Memecoin, ensuring you fully understand the project and the associated risks. Why might Dollar be appealing? Well, let's consider a few factors, but remember to proceed with extreme caution. First, is there a vibrant and active community surrounding the coin? If so, look for links to their online spaces to gauge the level of engagement. Next, is there active marketing and promotion for Dollar? Look for examples of their promotional efforts. Then, what makes Dollar stand out from the crowded field of Memecoins? Is there anything unique about its concept, branding, or utility? Finally, and most importantly, remember that investing in Memecoins like Dollar is inherently high risk. Be sure to only invest what you can afford to lose and do your own thorough research. Right, let's break down how to buy Dollar, also known as XIAOBAI, on Uniswap. First, you're going to need a few things: some Ethereum, or ETH, in a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and enough extra ETH to cover the transaction fees, which are known as gas. The first step is to install and set up that wallet. You'll need to download the wallet extension or app, create a new wallet, or import one you already have, and make absolutely sure you secure your seed phrase. Next, you'll need to add ETH to your wallet. You can buy ETH from a centralized exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer that ETH to your wallet address. Once you have ETH in your wallet, you'll connect your wallet to the Uniswap decentralized exchange. To do that, go to the Uniswap website, making absolutely sure you're on the correct URL, and then click Connect Wallet, and select your wallet provider. Now comes the crucial part: finding Dollar. You absolutely must find the verified contract address on a reputable source like Etherscan. Then, import the token into Uniswap using the contract address. Now you're ready to swap ETH for Dollar. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap, and carefully review all the transaction details, including the estimated Dollar you'll receive and the slippage. Then, approve the transaction in your wallet. Finally, wait for the transaction to confirm on the Ethereum blockchain. It's also important to understand slippage and how to adjust it, especially with volatile tokens. Remember that gas fees fluctuate, and be extremely cautious of scam tokens. Always verify the contract address. Here are some potential risks and considerations to keep in mind when dealing with Memecoins like Dollar. First, be aware of rug pulls. A rug pull is a malicious maneuver where the developers abandon the project and run away with the investors' money. To avoid rug pulls, thoroughly research the development team and community. Next, remember the extreme volatility inherent in memecoins. Prices can swing wildly in short periods, leading to substantial gains or losses. It's also crucial to check the liquidity of the dollar token. Low liquidity can make it difficult to buy or sell without significantly impacting the price. Also, consider the contract security. Has the contract been audited by a reputable firm to identify potential vulnerabilities? Always remember that you could lose all of your invested funds, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Finally, consider the tax implications in your jurisdiction, as profits from cryptocurrency trading may be subject to taxation. eDollar community has a number of resources available. You can find more information on the official dollar website, assuming one exists. Be sure to follow their official social media channels such as Twitter and Telegram for the latest updates. You can also view the token contract directly on Etherscan for detailed transaction information. Finally, check for listings on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap if the token is available on those platforms. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Default. In conclusion, remember that dollar is a high-risk, high-reward memecoin, so it's absolutely critical that you do your own research before investing any funds. Always exercise caution and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you decide to get involved, consider engaging with the community, but remember that your financial decisions are your own responsibility.